The West Africa Coastal Areas Resilience Investment Project, WACA, has handed over waste management materials worth nearly $30 million to the Kanifing Municipal Council and Brikama Area Council to improve waste collection and reduce flooding in communities along the Kotu stream. The handing over ceremony forms part of WACA's ongoing efforts to strengthen environmental resilience in 11 communities affected by poor waste management and repeated floods. The equipment includes 12 tricycles, wheelbarrows, trash bins, 2 tractor heads with trailers, 1 compactor truck, 2 tipper trailers, and 2 tipper trucks. Delivering the keynote address, Minister of Environment, Climate Change and Natural Resources, Rohit John Manjang, highlighted how waste management remains one of the country's biggest environmental challenges, in which she described the equipment as a significant investment towards addressing poor waste collection and reducing urban flooding.
Health. Making sure that we deserve a health that we will get it. It also reduces expense to medical. Because if you are healthy, your medical bills will be reduced. And flooding is a big challenge of this Kotu stream. And when Kotu stream is not being cleared, it affects the entire big town. Because I was living around Java, 2022 rainy season. That fortunate morning on Sunday, my community was hardly including my household, all because of the Kotu stream. If you follow it deep down, you understand that it was because of flooding. But that's where they wanted empties to the river.
She further warned both KMC and BAC to be held accountable for ensuring the equipment is strictly used for waste management purposes and not to other activities.
Mixing cement, it is for waste collection. Let it be for waste collection. The tricycle are for waste collection. Let it be for waste collection. You will monitor the project to make sure that they support you in maintaining them. Because if you are not going to be any other economic gain to maintain them, the project must be maintained to some level.
WACA project coordinator Dr. Sanyang lamented that the purpose of this project was in response to concerns consistently raised by communities over the lack of adequate waste collection services.
Indiscriminate dumping will still continue, and there's a proof of that. For the last 2 years, this year is the third year we've been doing the structured intervention. But just after a few months, all of this will find their way again to the stream. So, engaging the communities, one of the challenges they're facing, that there's not been regular connection of waste.
Receiving the equipment on behalf of the Brikama Area Council Chairman Yankuba Dabo described the support as a major boost to the council's waste management capacity, as he assured WACA that the equipment would be used effectively and maintained properly to improve sanitation, protect public health, and build resilient communities.
It's not merely a transfer of equipment. It is a tangible demonstration of partnership and shared responsibility in safeguarding our communities. The provision of tractors, trailers, compactor trucks, wheel trucks, tricycles, wheelbarrows, and trash bins represents major boost to our waste management capacity. These tools will directly enhance our abilities to keep communities along the Kotu stream clean, safe, and resilient.
Deputy Permanent Secretary at the Ministry of Lands, Regional Government and Religious Affairs Mukhtar Dabo, who represented the minister, urged the beneficiary councils to ensure the equipment is deployed responsibly and maintained to maximize its impact. He also called on communities to take ownership of their environment by using the waste disposal facilities responsibly. The WACA project, a $45 million World Bank-funded regional initiative implemented by the Ministry of Environment, Climate Change and Natural Resources, is restoring and protecting the 11.2 kilometers from Nemakungkung in West Coast region to the Atlantic coast to reduce flooding and safeguard lives and property. Infrastructural development, the project promotes solutions to support livelihoods for women, youth, and persons with disabilities, and strengthens the Gambia's environmental governance through development of key policies, legislation, and institutional capacity aimed at building long-term climate resilience and sustainable urban development. Janke Kujabi for The Voice TV.